St. Mary with that for finding the newest dancehall sensation right now. Yaksta, what going, brother?
Yeah, I'm general, everything blessed.
3 words to describe your music.
Peculiar. Extraterrestrial.
Yo, there.
You understand? And mad.
Tell them what is so extraterrestrial about your sound, about your vibe, about your music.
Because we have a variant amount of cadence, you understand? Our music not just speaks to the primary folks or factors of Jamaica, but also a universal embodiment, you know? It encompasses more than just one realm of vibrational frequencies when you come on to Yaksta music. So, may I tell you straight, Sanjay, we have to lock the globe. So Bush Lord now just try to make every single thing that Bush Lord does peculiar, extraterrestrial.
Where you get the name there from?
Well, it's actually abbreviations that was combined to make a mannequin, you understand? It's like I use the word brainiac and flip the IAC to YAK and add STA from the word stamina, so it's mental stamina. You understand? So there's adrenaline aligned with Yaksta.
Talk to me about the whole musical journey.
I got introduced to music from a tender age. You understand? Been writing for almost all my life period. It's like things went downhill while working in Montego Bay. I met Sanjay Nigos, isn't it? A name just like yours. Yeah, I'm current manager. You understand? Them man they see me and knock pat and them look thing in a back office area and tell me, say, boy, brother, if you stay here, you're going to die poor. You understand? And he went to America and a year after that went time, never there going for Yaksta youth, almost a band. It's like him send me $100 one day if he just get some stuff and then the following week he send me 2 bills. I'm saying, alright brother, go pursue your dream. And from me do the first song, it was a song called Surely Hold Me. DJ Chiga uploaded it on YouTube and the song just went viral in Amobi. We never dare use YouTube as that much. Yeah. We never really have much experience in digital marketing, etc. because sponsored ads and them thing never was in. 2018, I did a song called Boogie Woogie, with Steve Urchin and Dana Shagan.
And that song had to get big.
Yeah. The song that went viral, like in the radio land. It never got the breakout what I wanted, but it propelled me into the corporate market.
Set a platform
for me, isn't it? And then 2019 now I did Set Me on My Ground. And then 2020 everything crashed. But in the ending of 2020 I did a song called Humans.
He cried out, though she gave us food to eat and land to build her house.
You give me an interesting story before we got even start recording for the interview. You tell me how Ambition even come about. I'm more give me about that story there again.
Ambition was me listening to several others like Chanel Muir and them good thing. Because I like artists who have the authentic sound. You understand? And when you see them perform, you feel them performance. Yeah. So I am a fan of Chanel Muir, you understand? But they always have the acres over markets. But like listening to the song, that somewhat inspired this as well. So I have to give her the credit to speed, you understand? Yeah. I'm big up for that because my favorite song, that's the only song I never want to pull up. I'm never born in a lace week, It have the vibe, So it's like me hearing that and taking some self-reflections and realizing that, I was spending lavishly what I never had back then. Perception sometimes can be conveyed in a part where it might bring a fruition, but sometimes it can lead to self-destruct and leave into financial constraints that sometimes cannot be fixed. Yeah. You understand? So big up Chanel Muir for the song The Set Speed. It's still my favorite song that.
Inheritance for me Caesar, me alright being mean.
When me write the song, finish it up and thing, is that me just start I divulge in other experiences that I had prior to writing the song, like with Bitcoin and virtual currencies and forex tradings and online shopping, all them things. Is like me write the song, then I write a song called Fall Cube, and the people them soon get the one day. You understand? So,
the one in a drop it?
No, in a drop it. When I show them you understand, for use some simple provisions in a capitalist way, you understand, for capitalize, because remember everybody capitalize pan the garrison, So the garrison have capitalized pan the gem them that them have, you understand? So as such, it's like, we drop the song just start pick up, and then I start shoot the video, I can shoot the video, big up president same way, you understand? I shoot piece pan Prezi Farm, shoot piece pan mine, you understand?
So you're a real farmer and a real life?
Come here, look for my cap, sun blacker.
Ice party vending. Each back cast empty.
Where you have on your farm?
Well, right now we have some string bean, we have some ketchup crab, like, you know, we have like onion I go and sprout.
Demands inflate in time. Investing on my merch. Give back to which church?
Well, I don't know. You have a line in the song where everybody are talking about. You have a line where you say, link my wife when I want sex. Because when say girl be try to support that lead. And the first man in a dancehall do a song where I support monogamy. Why is that? Why you feel so comfortable with it? Why you chose it?
This is where now the seriousness of reality steps in. I am a victim of not having a father around. Many others like me experience the same thing. Reason being, influences go where influence is being spat. You understand? Or spit out them in word. If we teach youth them just to be girls alone and have 10 girlfriends and 15 women and them thing there, you have a lot of pitney that is very deranged because them don't know the love of a father or the love of a mother. We need more family in the black communities.
Sure. So
we can have more impact on society. Up to all the real father out there.
You're not afraid to make people know.
No, I'm in a business.
I want wife we have.
Yeah, man, right. That's a big up Sati. Love a baby.
Build up a ranch and rent it. Ground produce must plenty.
You have the whole Jamaica interested in Yaksta. You have the whole Jamaica I sing ambition.
Yes, sir.
You have the whole Jamaica interested in farmland.
Yes, substance is always longevity, you know. You understand? I'm not trying to expose, I'm trying to expand.
Yeah.
With expansion comes time.
Obviously, lots to look forward to. We're excited about that. Lastly, now, more you tell me what most makes Yaksta intense.
My persona is just what Yaksta is. You understand? I try to be me at all costs. When I try to put on nothing at all. You can ask my friend them call me Bush Lad for a reason. You understand? Them call me Yaksta for a reason. But I'm a man who also goofy and at times I can be very pensive. You understand? And if it comes to an intense situation, you might see Yaksta very intense.
One thing I have to say, music exciting, yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Big up.